Supreme Court judge etimi akase party ana aban etimi wetimi ato omudin se omo ye create, loot and share. Create, loot and share. Yen kaya dwunumbom yen hihye na yen wia na yen chendi. Enu na Bible mu no kwa o se obaye se obewia na wakum na wase no na obaga na so say hey wa destroy everything. Basintale ne NDC for oma destroy everything e dia ma Ghana.
Abuza for me mamu nyina makwa about the Ghana and m0ney so the munya me Mr. President bon money so be like video no be subscribe to the channel no what turn your notification say next time videos of this nature about on sabeti makabi na the money me did and Mr. President no her background here to say a new place I me person me try na me set up a studio na me so me de boa na me do some Ghana manfo through Ghana and m0ney TV by chance so boa me de me ya madaruma number that's no friend number no I the woman be a mensabeka to friend number no kwana kaso Mr. President you can get out to me the person the boy be a mensaka so medawas me ni be so papa if you say bi mo na makwe mo free die sha CBC sabre madaruma mo hia mo bo mo bo am yanka me ni beje pa cause person be set up studio my own name so me de bo am tiefo through Ghana and m0ney me de mo asin na me say nyame adomwa 7th December 2028 enumre be 9 p.m. day first na yebidi kaye if samijan fifia ye kwa abla kwa fie if abla kwa fie ni pay ko fie next malik Basintale me say nyame adoma 7th December 2028 nyame adoma you are Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia he declared so we winning na yen twen easy kura you free samijan fifia ye kwa okujeto abla kwa fie samjo de be ko later and all the bejana ma bronye nipa e kunu fie next malik Basintale as bisafo scandal bi aba bonte na mihu ye no meyem crash me Basintale you Basintale 2024 no nam braka se nantwi a ni urayera no nam no o kansem akese edi tie panyifo no ene me break it down no ma e koso kirewa orekra beho alleged scandal e kosisi a ene me no kase e kosisi a me no kase pa me bekin ka kire omo se omakoto garment bi yinim garment ko na si kanko omo spend wo garment no ho no I will say 9 million Ghana cedis. Aye. Almost say youth in agric. Me pacho mo ba o ma fa mabu na o mo ye afu ana minimara. Ana o ma fa mabu na o mo ye into agriculture and o mo sponsor minimara. So far as I'm concerned, why ye enye employment baby e komo ba e say o ma pam nkrofo so mo nkotene fi. Nim so ma fa nkrofo adwuma. Almost say o mo de 8 million Ghana cedis ako youth in agriculture side. Abusafo you see procurement in toiletries. Procurement in toiletries 5 billion. It's water closet, one set, a toilet roll, tissue. Me pacho ni na 5 billion Ghana cedis no office on kwa. Na sebi ukura woson eyem eno woson eyem nioma kura enka toiletries nkwa be 5 billion Ghana cedis. Abuza for yenwe. Yes, polo shirt, customized polo shirt. 1,200,000 Ghana cedis. Abuza kasa per queen government. Basintale ade. These are alleged scandal. Alexis ya mino kase. Ye tete Ghana. Se Ghana be ko animu. Ni nyina yenya mfamudi ni yenya mto. Sabi yenye Ghana se ubia be create unlutu na won share no nkoni baby. Ko ama Ghana is bleeding. Abuja sadi we kisi we na nda ko kufa da manyu na peso pa se den kan semanka journalist for be ka okurum ha no. ene journalist fo nyina koma no atum ene media general fo o maka mo no to koma nya bibidi ene extract fo kwado mo kwado mo yenchoma yire mo koma no atum ene the legendary Kwame in crack na no atum ene bobo it goes on and on and on and on and on amagana na ye chichiri o na se obia ba at any position na se obo Ghana kro no se ya na se oye no ma se e wo officer sabi e ba ka na se o man we no obo Ghana negative ne bedi kan obo Ghana negative ne bedi kan because am jam fi sabi allegations e ba se no wi ane de okuye to de ono so oye ne de Sam George the arrogant Sam George so oye ne de na se se why ye so oye ne de a na se obia so wi kakra ye bi we na Ghana de ta hwi ni mu ase ton man fo ne de ko jiska adi ni mu asesembe ni obie nya opportunity no wo wia mon kan kire Basintale say he's a potential jail candidate. You will not even spare him. He is a potential jail candidate. Someone should tell him. Hey,
Supreme Court judge etimi akase party ana aban etimi wetimi ato omudin say omo ye create, loot and share. Create, loot and share. Yen kan ya dwunumbom yen hihye na yen wia na yen chendi. Enu na Bible mu no kwa o se obaaye se obewia na wakum na wase no na oba Ghana so ye say hey wa destroy everything. Basintale ne NDC for o ma destroy everything e dia man Ghana. What else? What else? Just say yeah no eno me be say young leaders no NPP national leaders no wo wahiu we think e preprewa beto monanso e prewa beto monanso anka wo bo wa bi ambobo bia no e we say eye NDC asem mimi se me na meti Bible meti asori dem mu kwa na ye Bible classes eni agese bibia ntwam amfa nchen ye bekwa akose NDC fu asem me de be hye mu na me de ayasoro sem sisia Bible studies me de be hye mu sisia
an amount not exceeding 316,737,758 Ghana cedis to undertake the annexed list of procurement activities. The following should be noted for strict compliance in the award of contracts. Award contracts only after obtaining commitment control compliance approval from the head of your internal audit. Award contracts only after obtaining commitment control, blah, 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 blah. Now, yanko, mame, the next one, na yanko nkohe, inti, OSHA, authorized procurement activities for the Youth Employment Agency 2025. Projects or program, goods and services. Estimated amount H0w na obuboa 70 million and H0w 776,720. Youth in garment model 9 million. Youth in agriculture program Brenham Wenchi projects 8,345,000. Procurement of toners 800,000. Procurement for stationaries 180,000. Toiletries, detergents 500,000. 5 billion. Conceptual designing printing of staff Friday wear 2,800,000. Conceptual designing printing of staff polo shirts 1,200,000. Conceptual design and printing of staff ID card, 550,000. Procure various goods for the community police assistant module, 39 million. Procure various goods for the fire service assistant module, 25,300,000. Procure various farm inputs and engagement of farm mechanization services providers of the Brenham Wenchi farm projects. I know you're 4,500,000. That is 4.5 billion. No. Vehicles, ties, batteries, and toolbox. I know you're 474,000. Afi over from what? Or is it capex? Youth in electric motorbike model, 52 million. Youth in solar street light projects program, 37,302,000. Procurement of vehicles, 48 million. Procurement of IT equipment and accessories, 13 million. Procurement of furniture, and also a year, 3 million. Na asem no de nwanwa ewu mu ani se sika ya mu bobodi ene enema a omose omobaye no why you know from August 2025 ebisine ewahin adwuma no ewahin na figures ni bia ehihye enema ni bia no eno odi se staff akom
Eliba me dasi enya mani nyonwa
Uni nkofo di nkomoda nsema the first mami chia yera Alhaji Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ayakwa akoye te se sisi anu fa social media bia na obi e frɛ doctor kofo bebre e frɛ nanado se nanado wapenso anka ne yefise no mu eden
adisho boy nkofo frɛ ni so mra
na Budgetary kabetna so yidie enwoma ye west
Budgetary dare ya
President Mahama. Oh, the only difference between President Mahama and Budgetary is a laptop. The only difference between President Mahama and Budgetary is a laptop. Omu dada nipa. Take it from me. Omu dada nipa. President Mahama answer ni ebe kwa kotu aba. O kachire o kansem de. E di chire ye youth no. Se adwuma baako ko 4 ne be ye se adwuma no. Minim sa no pe omo ko ndre numre no mapon omo ko fie dia o ka kire ye se public sector obia benya adwuma ye oba ye ko 2 years ni wan enya 24 hour economy ni ho mfaso enti say ye ka se president me ka kire o se President Mahama the only difference between ono any Budgetary laptop so tiase because in some oka ye no was coming Ghana fo nyina was coming Ghana youth ni nyina o ka kire teacher fo more colleges of education say oba more licensure exams obetwem na when to me anya kura registration fee Mr. Speaker that's one aka akufo ado time e 200 Ghana cedis no President Mahama page mu di akọ 380 licensure exams no so a wentwem automatic post no this any on wentwem
na President Mahama na memo no mai we ana onya afi ba akọ ne fakura
na na membu obuno emu
afei no wanya afeba
na wode na membu a obuno emu hinde na yede toto no wanya previous one no
ngazi na make say ememu ni yemfie nan
Oma
afei na wanya afeba akomo ne bosumi mi
Mr. Speaker enkof
akomo ne bosumi mi ensemu ni ebrei
Mr. Speaker one a wo kire me sa grobe so a ifia no pa nipa wo honom na se wo hu signal sa de ebe yi a obehu yen twen ema ade no ye bobo 90 minutes there but 90 minutes no o share first 45 minutes first half the way omo born no ma na o share the way e ko na o tumi o sa de ne nko yi